Hey, have you upgraded Linux kernel on your CentOS stream?
Not yet. Why is it important to upgrade?
Upgrading to Linux Kernel 6.5 unlocks enhanced features and performance, making your system more secure and efficient.
Interesting. How can I upgrade to Linux Kernel 6.5?
First, update your CentOS stream with sudo dnf upgrade refresh. Then, import the ELRepo RPM repository tailored to your CentOS version.
Okay, what's next?
Execute sudo dnf enable repo equals ELRepo kernel install kernel ml to install kernel 6.5. Don't forget to reboot your system with sudo reboot.
Got it. How can I verify the installation?
Check the kernel version with unamr and review detailed system information using unama.
Thanks for the info. Any additional commands I should know?
To update the kernel, execute sudo dnf upgrade refresh and reboot. To restore the default kernel, disable ELRepo, reinstall default kernel packages, and reboot.
Great, thanks for the overview. I'll upgrade to Linux Kernel 6.5 now.
You're welcome. Remember, maintaining the latest kernel ensures a secure and efficient Linux system.